Welcome to Alvinsa Studio, your gateway to the world of innovative and sustainable living. Today we're excited to take you to Australia to explore an extraordinary creation, the Lennox, a home crafted from two 40-foot shipping containers. Nestled in the serene landscape of Australia, the Lennox container home stands as a shining example of modern design and sustainable living. This unique home, built from two repurposed shipping containers, merges creativity with functionality. With its sleek, contemporary design, the Lennox perfectly demonstrates how shipping containers can be transformed into stylish and practical living spaces, optimizing every inch for maximum efficiency. Step inside to discover the thoughtfully designed interiors. The open-plan living room, modern kitchen, and cozy bedrooms ensure a comfortable living experience, blending elegance with practicality. The Lennox is equipped with sustainable features including energy-efficient systems, recycled materials, and smart home technology, ensuring a minimal environmental footprint while maximizing convenience. The outdoor spaces extend the living area, featuring a stylish patio and a beautiful garden, perfect for relaxing or entertaining guests. Lennox shipping container house was built using two 40-foot containers. The container house has a large covered deck. The house has two bedrooms and one bathroom. Internally, it has been upgraded to black powder-coated wall with a timber feature wall to create warmth. With the special roofing of the container house, it can extend up to 8 meters without any support. This creates large enclosed spaces for decks and parking lots. The shipping containers are extremely strong. They can be supported on the roof panels on their own, without extra steel supports. Join us at Alvinsa Studio as we continue to explore innovative and sustainable living solutions that redefine modern housing. Alvinsa Studio, where creativity and sustainability meet. Thank you for joining us on this tour of the Lennox, an extraordinary home crafted from two 40-foot shipping containers set in the stunning landscape of Australia. This remarkable project exemplifies how shipping containers can be transformed into elegant, sustainable, and functional living spaces, pushing the boundaries of modern architecture. At Alvinsa Studio, we are dedicated to bringing you the most inspiring and eco-friendly architectural solutions from around the globe. Stay tuned for more captivating tours and insights into groundbreaking projects that redefine contemporary living. Until next time, may your living spaces be filled with innovation, sustainability, and beauty. Alvinsa Studio, where creativity and elegance meet.